was vinyl siding, basically the same color. Like I said, we just wanted better quality and to match all the other work that we had done through the years.
The other siding was just on, just put on, and had no insulation underneath it to speak of. So the house was wrapped with plastic. They just put siding on over that.
They've done the siding and the roof. It looked the same, basically, the same color and
same
everything.
Color, basically the same color.
It was surprising when they did the roof, though, because there were about 12 guys jumped out of vehicles and started working. But they got it done quick, and they did it very good.
Holds the heat in better, it's cold out better.
Oh, well, I would definitely recommend them. I think the product is good. The salesman is nice, and the guys do a good job, and they clean up